Across chemical, petrochemical, and food plants, I've seen one small mistake during a roll change bring an entire line to a halt. And I've watched teams regain massive efficiency once they mastered a clean, consistent technique. From years on factory floors, here's the process that keeps uptime high and wrapping quality stable. 1. Verify film tension and track alignment before cutting the old roll tube. Position the new film using clear markers to prevent skewing. 3. Clean the sealing zone to eliminate micro tears and weak points. 4. Run a low-speed test cycle to confirm stability. 5. Recheck sensors, especially for transparent or specialty films. These steps may look simple, but the impact is huge. Plants handling corrosive liquids, powders, oils, or multi-layer packaging materials see immediate gains. Fewer stoppages, fewer rejects, and a more predictable wrapping rhythm. What I love most is how this process boosts confidence. Operators trust their setup. Supervisors see smoother throughput. And maintenance teams spend far less time fighting unnecessary downtime. Film changing isn't just an operational step. It's a discipline that reinforces precision safety and consistency across the entire line. When teams get it right, productivity jumps, and the whole environment feels sharper and more controlled. If you're working with wrapping machines and want insights on optimizing film performance, minimizing downtime, or choosing the right material for your industry, stay tuned. More practical, real-world breakdowns are on the way. The kind that help your line run smarter, faster, and more reliably every single day.